Have you locked yourself out of your accounts because of your Microsoft Authenticator app? Don't panic, because in this video, we'll walk you through how to regain access to those crucial accounts first. We'll cover the easiest methods for recovery, and then, as a last resort, how to get help from Microsoft. The most straightforward method is to use backup codes. When you initially set up the Authenticator, you were likely given a set of backup codes. These are single-use codes you can access even without the app. Find and enter one of them to get back into your accounts. If you didn't save the backup codes, SMS Verification might be your hero. Some accounts offer SMS Verification as a secondary recovery option. Check if your account is set up to receive a one-time code via text message. You can often get this verification by using your phone number. If you've exhausted your backup codes and SMS Verification isn't available, it's time to contact Microsoft Support. Go to Microsoft Support website and start a recovery request. You will be asked for proof of ownership, answering security questions, and proving your identity. Be prepared to answer some questions about your account, like when you created it and when the last time you logged in was. This helps Microsoft verify that you are indeed the account owner. If all goes well, Microsoft will give you access back to your secured accounts, allowing you to once again use your Microsoft Authenticator. Remember to save those backup codes and set up recovery options so you can avoid this stressful situation in the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more security tips.